Hi, this is Gunasairan, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS institution. Now we are seeing about refrigerant and air conditioning. First, we are seeing about refrigerant. Refrigeration is the process of removing heat from a space or substance to lower its temperature, okay, and maintain it below the ambient level. It plays a vital role in food preservation, air conditioning, industrial process, and medical applications. The basic principle involves the transfer of heat from a lower temperature area to a high temperature area using mechanical or chemical means. Common refrigeration method include vapor compression, vapor absorption, thermoelastic, and gas cycle systems. Okay, by slowing down bacterial growth and chemical changes, refrigeration helps in extending the life of good and ensuring comfort and safety in various environment. This achieve of mechanical devices excess heat to the from maintaining at low temperature from surrounding atmosphere. Okay. Then unit of refrigerants and COP. Okay. The standard unit of refrigerants is the ton of refrigerant TR. 1 ton of refrigerant is defined as the amount of heat required to the melt 1 ton of ice in 24 hours. Okay. See that defined as the amount of heat required to the melt of 1 ton of ice in 24 hours. Okay, equivalent to 3.5 kilowatts or 12,000 BTU hours. Okay, the coefficient of performance COP is a measure of efficiency of refrigerant systems. It is the ratio of refrigerant effect cooling provided to the work input. Okay, mathematically COP Q divided by W. Q is the heat removed and W is the work done. Okay. A higher coefficient of performance indicate a more refrigerant systems. Okay. Then refrigerator. A refrigerator is the common household appliance designed to preserve food and other perishable items by maintaining the low temperature. Okay, it operates on the principle of the vapor compression refrigeration, where a refrigerant circulates through components like compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and the evaporator. Okay, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the food compartment and release it outside, keeping the interior cool. Okay. Refrigerator helps slow down bacterial growth, extending the storage items. Modern refrigerator may including features like freezer, temperature controls, and free technologies and other free technologies. Okay. These are essential in both domestic and commercial settings for food safety and convenience. Okay. Then we are seeing about heat pump. Heat pump is a versatile device that transfer heat from one location to another. Okay. Typically used for both heating and cooling purpose. It operates on the same basic principles as a refrigerator or air conditioner, but can reverse its cycle. Okay. In heating mode, it exerts heat from the cold source like outdoor air, ground or water, and release in indoors. In cooling mode, it works like an air conditioner by removing indoor heat and releasing the outside. Okay. Heat pumps are energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and ideal for residential and commercial heating and cooling applications, especially in moderate climates. Okay. Okay, thank you.